We're going to ride both of them. It's going to be a Keighley lift. Start with this lift. Move it down to 1.
Please mind the door.
Capacity 16 persons, 1250 kilos. It's built in the 80s. And I think this indicator buttons are modernised. Don't know when though. But it's an old Keighley. It's now maintained by lift specialists, these two, but the other two aren't. Here we are, 1.
Doors
back up to 3.
Going up. Please mind the door.
There's security camera. It's a Keighley lift.
Floor 3.
It's got 3 levels.
Doors
See, it's maintained by lift specialists. That's new. Let's see if the other lift comes. I think it does come. When you call it, both lifts come.
Please mind the door. Doors closed.
It's this one. Here it is. Let's see how this one's doing. They haven't cleaned it up. This one's really dirty, this lift. Capacity 16 persons, 1250 kilos. It's built in the 80s. This one's not maintained by lift specialists, so I think that's why this one's a bit dirty. Look, there's something there. There's a drink on the floor. Look at this. It has gone really dirty, this lift. Also, when we came in April, there was some sort of liquid on the floor there. So we're going to go back up to 3 now. See, that's new. Don't think this lift's hydraulic though. Look, there's the buttons. Here we are at 3. There's the 1. There it goes. And that's it.